Hello student, welcome to Saad Educare. This is quiz 2 and topics is multiplying and dividing. We will start from here and finish here. We have to find out the number which is missing. Like 6 times 4 is a 24, right? And then here is divide. This is division sign. So 24 divide 12. What? We will get 2. Then 2 times 10, it will be 20. 20 divide 5, it will be 4. 4 times 9, what will be the answer? 4 times 9, it means 36. Then 36 divide 3, it will be 12. 12 times 9 is a 12 times 6, not 9. It will be what? 72. So here is 72, and 72 divide 8, it will be 9, and finally 9 times 7, it will be 63. So our answer is 63. Very interesting, right? So you will make practice at home like these types of missing numbers. Suppose here is a blank, divide by 5, we will get 30. So what will be the answer? Blank divide 5 equals to 30. So it means 30 times 5. So 5 times 0 is a 0. 5 times 3 is a 15. So here is 150. So 150 divide 5 equals to 30. Again you can make divide, and here is a division sign, and suppose here is what? Here is something, and you will divide by suppose 5. So 30 divide 5, here is 6, and again here will be divide by 2. So 6 divide 2, here is 3. So this way you can make practice. I request dear parents, please don't give them 6 divide 2 or 8 divide 4. It's a common practice. Make fun. Math is like a fun. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. This is a practice session, quiz 2. Quiz is a very dangerous word. It's a fun time, right? Fun time. Fun time. It will be 2. Okay. So please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare. Usually I am trying to solve Cambridge Learner's Book and Workbook 2 and 3, but sometime we will make fun. It's a fun time. Thank you.